the FEU Medical Alumni Society of Southern California, Dr. June, the Renaissance Simmons Charitable Foundation Incorporated, USA, my fellow public servants, mga kasimanwa ko, good evening. It is my pride and honor as Mayor of Colasi to welcome the arrival of the Medical Surgical Mission Team, Texas, FEU, Southern California, and Simmons Charitable Foundation, USA. Your presence after the onslaught of Southern Typhoon Yolanda, which caused much damage to property and loss of lives in northern Antique, is indeed a blessing. Your advocacy in providing long-term and self-sustaining healthy communities in the medically underserved regions in the Philippines is a welcome relief to us, Antiqueños. Antique belongs to one of the poorest provinces in the country. So much to that our constituents can barely afford to shoulder even their minor medical or surgical needs. Thus, your presence, your selfless and generous service here will surely save lives and alleviate the sufferings of our people in Colasi, Tibiao, and Barbasa. For us, public servants, this noble undertaking will also ease the burden of our sworn duty to promote the general welfare of our constituents by providing free and adequate health services to all Antiqueños. This mission will surely give true meaning to the phrase, the health of the people is really the foundation upon which all their happiness and all their powers as a local government unit depend. Indeed, your humanitarian and generous concern for health and well-being of our people is warmly appreciated and cherished in our hearts. And so, my friends, welcome to Colasi Antique. It is our fervent wish that this mission be successful and life-changing for all Antiqueños. May God bless us all. Thank you. Good evening.
Thank you very much, Mayor Joel, for your warm welcome. This time, listen